Create student list in Excel. Let's start. First, click on cell A5 and enter ID. Next, enter student name in cell B5. And after, enter gender in cell C5. In column D, enter date of birth. Hold click on this column to resize column. After cell, enter age. Next header is email. And need home phone. After, show address. In cell I5, enter guardian. Next is cell phone. And this cell information is emergency contact. Double-click and press Alt key and enter. And the last cell displays cell phone. Now, hold select header and set font enter. And size of this header set 8. Click here to resize row. And set align center. And fill color chooses light green. Next, insert ID of the students. Click on cell and hold down. The number will show auto. Next, enter the student's name. After, enter the gender. And next cell shows date of birth. Paste here and click on General. And choose date. Next, format date. Type them 3 times. And click OK. After, enter phone number. And enter guardian's name. And next column enters cell phone. And this cell shows emergency contact. The last, enter cell phone of emergency. Next, select cells and format font name is enter. And font size set 8. Next, calculate age of student. Type equals year frac function. And click on date of birth, comma, and type today function. Close parentheses and enter. Next, use int function to decrease the number. After, click on cell and hold click down. Next, format text on cell. First, click on General and click on Custom. And click choose 0 number. And press double quote. In the double quote, type year. And ready, click on OK. OK in cell has text. Next, hold select cells at the top. And merge cells. and enter the title is Student List of PSEI. After format, font style is inter, and size set 32. After total student, set align center. Make text bold. Next, show gender of male. And this cell will display total of female. For total result, press equals and type count a function. After hold, select the ID of student. Close parentheses and enter. Next, count male gender. First, click on cell and press equals. Next, type Countif function and hold select all gender of student, comma, and type double quote, and in the double quote type male. I type this text because I would like to count only male gender of students. Okay, this is the result of the male of student's gender. After, count the female of student gender. First, click on cell and press equals and type Countif function. Hold selects all gender of student and set the criteria female in double quote. Close parentheses and enter. Okay, here is the member of student gender. Next, select these cells and show underline below number. Okay, I express with this result why this cell showed 3. Let's count on cells. 2, 3. The answer is correct. There are 3 female gender in this class. Next, unhide grid line. Click on View and unchecked on grid line. Now the grid line hide it on cells. Next, show the filter on header. First, hold select on cells and click on data. Next, click on filter. Why I set filter? Here is result. I want to search only female show on cell. First, I click this filter column and uncheck select all. A tear check female that I want to show and click OK. Now, in cells display only female gender. And if you want to show all student, follow this step. The last step, set freeze pane. Click on cell and click View. Next, choose freeze pane and set first option. Next, check the result. I set freeze pane when I scroll up and down or right and left is fixing. And last, set view and print. Click on page layout. An option to choose one page. And this the same is one page. Next, file and click print. Click here to change to landscape size. Okay, how to create student list is done. Thank you for your lovely sharing. ICT Share.